Hi, I'm Brandy, and today we're going to be doing my very first unboxing of the Tamed Wild box. I have been getting a box from Tamed Wild Apothecary since February of this year, but I have been getting the Wild Medicine box. Recently, they decided to consolidate their Wild Medicine and their House of Rituals boxes, and so this is the first consolidation called a Tamed Wild box. It's not a virgin box. I've already opened it because this is the second time I'm filming this because my child is a hellion. So, Wild Medicine box. They're still going to use this until they run out, which is good. Don't waste. Do not waste, ladies. So, first thing is a Wild Recipes book for medicinal and magical kitchen. I've kind of skimmed through it. A lot of these recipes look really yummy, really good, stuff that I would try. So, awesome. Here is the insert for the month. Tamed Wild box, November 2018. The theme is the Wild Kitchen, Winter Equinox, and Yule. And there's an insert on the Winter Equinox. So we'll put this aside because I like to look at the box. Please pardon the box because I have to shove everything back in there to try to film again. So this is a lovely canister, empty. I'm assuming that it's for these ingredients here, which I'll pull out. So we have cinnamon, black tea, cardamom, cloves. My first thoughts were that it was going to be a chai, peppercorns. There's more around there, but let's go a little bit out of order. Winter Equinox Temple Oil. And give that a sniff. Smells good. Smells very winter greeny. Here is a cute little box. Let's see what treasure waits inside. It is a tiger's eye moon pendant. Pretty cool. Put that there. Put that there. This box came with an awesome motor and pestle. It's nice and heavyweight. It's really, really good quality. It comes with a yellow glass candle holder and a white votive candle. I have a dog trying to get in. Hopefully my husband will come get him. Ginger root is another herb. Jadeite is the crystal. Check out these. I don't know much about Jadeite other than it was a Sailor Moon bad guy, but I will look into it. Okay. This is really pretty. This is a 2019 moon calendar. Really nice. Loving it. And then these are papers, parchment paper. So let me just do a quick read. Magical Medicinal Cookbook, Motor and Pestle. So all these ingredients are for wassail, and I'm probably just gonna put them in this canister to keep everything fresh and until I make the wassail, which I usually make my last work day before Christmas. Intention paper. So this was really neat. This stack of parchment consists of 27 pages to track your intentions throughout the next year. There's one page for every dark moon, every full moon, one for the day you came to this earth, and one last page that you will use to design your future. That last piece of parchment is especially important, for you will express your loftiest goals and project your ideal reality onto this page. So basically you fill it out over the course of the next year. Then there's the ritual candle, meant to symbolize the sun. Equinox oil, tiger's eye necklace, and a 2019 moon calendar. Then of course there's information about the winter equinox. And that's it for this box. So my first Tamed Wild box, November 2018. I really like it. I like this company. I will keep getting them. The price for this new box is, it looks like $29 plus whatever it takes to ship to your house. I will leave a link below so that you could check it out. They also have past boxes that you can buy sometimes, which I really like in case you miss a month or for whatever reason you had to hold your subscription for a month. I really like that feature. So as always, if you like what I'm doing, please like. If you have any ideas for other boxes, you want to give me some feedback, please comment. And as always, please subscribe. I will see you guys for the Tamed Wild box in December. Bye!